before we get this next one, I just want to share something really important about coaching fees. And that is, no matter how much you charge, there's people who can't afford it, and there's people who can. So no matter how little you charge, there's people who go, oh my gosh, I can't, I wish I could, but I can't, no, $1. I can't afford $1. I just can't. And on the other hand, there's going to be people who will pay $100,000 in every niche market, or most real legitimate niche markets. Somebody would pay, there's people out there that would pay $100,000 for your coaching. So parenting coaching, dating coaching, weight loss coaching, business coaching, sales coaching. There are clients out there that would pay $100,000, pretty much, even career coaching, $100,000. So, but there's also people who wouldn't pay even $1. So your job isn't to try to get the most people. It's to get the most money. Well, it's to help people as best you can, but also being paid being well paid for it. And the more people pay, the more value they get. The more people pay, the more they pay attention.